Rosti is a Swiss version of hash browns with an egg. Let's make some for breakfast. It starts with potatoes. Cut out the eyes. Shred using the large holes of a box grater. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I always worry about grating my fingers, so a fork helps. Fresh potatoes hold too much moisture to stick together properly. Wring out as much water as possible by wrapping in a paper towel or cloth and squeezing hard. That looks drier now. Let's cut up an onion. Here I have a large shallot. Everything goes better with bacon. Cut up a good portion. I have some shredded cheddar cheese and some oil, salt and pepper, a couple of breakfast sausages. Cut those into pieces. This will be a 4-egg omelet. Add salt and pepper to taste. We'll fry the bacon with the potatoes so they pick up some of that good taste. Add enough oil to fully cover the pan. Spread the bacon evenly, and then spread the potatoes in a layer across the pan. Not too thick, else they won't cook through. Pat them down well. Fry for about 2 minutes. Flip over using a plate. And fry the other side for about 2 minutes. pat it down nicely. And put it aside to start the omelet. Fry the onion lightly. With a bit of oil. Add the sausage and get the sausage well browned. Add the egg evenly. Let the egg flow under what's already cooked. I've never been able to flip a whole omelet, so I cut it into quarters and then flip the pieces. Add the cheese. Put the potato layer back on top. Flip it over again using a plate. Reheat that potato layer. Serve and enjoy.